Hey everyone, let me show you something cool we have been working on. I will do a quick live demo of our AI academic assistant. So I'm launching our Next.js app here, and let's say I'm a student starting with multiple commitments. Like I do 2 hackathons and the college project at about software this month, and we are having the final exam in coming like 3 weeks. How can I overcome this challenge? The user requests we create a planner for me based on the fixed schedule, and we have to attack 2 files about calendar events and tags event in JSON format. Let's see the output. Yeah. Oh, see how quickly it processed the request, and look at this. It's not just about giving generic advice. It's creating a structured planner based on the fixed schedule I have. Notice how it prioritizes tasks and events include buffer time for unexpected challenge. Because let's be real, we all know how hackathon can get crazy, right? And this is just beginning. We are working on making this even more powerful with multimodal capabilities. Imagine dropping your lecture recordings, PDF, and assignment right here. Plus, we are building integration with tools students already, like Google Calendar, Google Drive, Notion, Discord, turning this into a complete academic command center. This our AI academic assistant at last, helping students turn academic chaos into manageable access. Let me demonstrate our system workflow with our tutorial demo, starting with data upload with 3 files: profile.json, text.json, calendar events.json. Text.json contains academic assignment and deadline. Event.json contains personal and academic calendar event. And profile.json contains student preference and student patterns. Now let's test with a quick little query, like about hackathon struggle and project struggle. How can we overcome this challenge and let's create a planner? Let's go. Code diagram show our agent orchestration. Starting with the coordinator at the top, it intelligently route user request through 3 parallelizing stream, left-in profile analysis, feed into our advisor agent for personalized recommendation. Center stream handle node organization and study material synthesis, and right stream is about calendar and task analysis generate optimized schedule. Each stream has specialized analyze, like generate phase ensuring throughout processing before executing phase, combine all outputs. What makes this architecture powerful is its flexibility. Our agent communicate through the coordinator, allowing for adaptive response based on real-time context. This LangGraph implementation ensure efficient request handling while maintaining context awareness throughout this entire process. This core agent interaction form the foundation for our expanding features and integration. Thought about our demo? Thank you. You can see our workflow